Hi, I'm Mark with PVC Fittings Online. Today we're going to make a flute out of PVC. Before you can make music, you'll need to make your flute. Making a homemade flute is simple. You'll need PVC pipe, an end cap, and a few tools. You want to make sure that your PVC pipe is the correct length. About 15 inches in length is where we think we get the best sound. Feel free to modify the length to your preference. Without the end cap attached, you'll use a tape measure to mark each hole on the PVC pipe. There are currently 2 holes offset from the others. Measure 6 7/8 of an inch, mark the first hole. Measure 8 inches, mark the second hole. Measure 9 1/8 of an inch, rotate up 25 degrees, mark the third hole. Remember, this hole is offset on purpose. Rotate the pipe back down so the next hole lines up with the first 2 holes. Measure 10 3/4 of an inch. Mark the fourth hole. Measure 11 1/2 inches. Rotate up 10 degrees. Mark the third hole. Remember, this hole is offset on purpose. Rotate the pipe back down so the next hole lines up with the first 2 holes. Measure 12 inches 3/4 of an inch. Mark the sixth hole. You'll have 4 holes that line up and then 2 holes that offset. On the end of the pipe, furthest from the markings, attach the PVC end cap. You can use primer and solvent cement if you would like. If you prefer a temporary hold, just slide the end cap over the pipe and it should be a tight fit. Now measure and mark the hole where you'll blow. If you use a flat end cap, measure 5/16 of an inch from the edge. If you use a round end cap, measure slightly longer from the tip of the cap. This hole should be center on the cap. Not every hole will be the same size. The hole for your mouth at the end cap should be 7/16. The next 3 holes should be 3/8 inch. The hole at 10 inches 3/4 from the end should be 11/32. The 11 1/2 inch hole should be 7/16. The last hole measured at 12 inches 3/4 should be 5/16. Now that the flute is complete, the final step is to customize your PVC flute, whether it's paint or tape. Your choice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click subscribe.